Okay, so soak their feet for about 3 to 5 minutes. So with a quick reflexology, I like to just hold on to my person for a second and just to touch them. We've done the foot bath already. Now, we have finger techniques that we can use our fingertips, and we can just glide down and just kind of scoop back up. But with the thumb, we're gonna do like an inchworm kind of look. So it's anywhere that you want to hold, and then you're going to lightly inchworm up. And it's the side, the little side here of the thumb that you're going to use. So if you put your hand on a table, whatever side that's touching the table is what you're going to use. So we're not going to use the front here, we're going to use this side. So when I zone walk, we're just inchworming our way up, and then we're just going to glide down. Different relaxation techniques. We have sweeping, where it's just like this. A knuckle roll is using this part here, and we just kind of roll down, glide up, kind of walk down with the knuckles, glide up. Side friction. A dorsal plantar stretch is just lightly going forward with the foot and then bringing it back down. Butterfly stretch is taking your thumbs and just gripping the foot with your fingers and just opening them up and then bringing it back together. So it's just the pad of the foot that we're just opening the pad up, bringing it back together. Thumb rubs, we can go across, we can go up and down. Circumduction is just having the foot go in circles. Either way. Snowplow, I love. It's with the fingertips, and my tips are just going to be on her foot, and I'm going to walk down and then glide up with them. So I'm walking with my fingertips and gliding up. And those are all the wonderful relaxation moves that you can do in any sequence that you want. Okay, so now those are the different steps. So you're going to choose whatever cream that you're going to have. You're going to put cream onto their feet and just kind of lather it in a bit. You can go up the leg a little bit. I have a towel on the other foot just to keep it warm. And now we're just going to do any moves that we want to, because this is just a quick reflexology. So I'm doing the head area. I can go across. I'm going to do the shoulders, and then in the lungs. Okay, I'm going to do rubs across the tummy area. So that's the insides, the sole part. Anytime you can add love again, just put in all the relaxation techniques. Okay, you can zone then the heel in either direction. And then I can do the front of the foot too. So the dorsal side, the top, that some people think, but it's actually the back. It's like a dorsal fin. I can do some rubs coming up the leg, coming around the ankle. Just be careful around the bones. Okay, you can wiggle the bones a little in here to try to get the stiffness to work its way out. Now, pressure-wise, you don't want to be too deep at first. You want to give a few minutes of just a nice pressure. So just a few minutes of a nice pressure. And then I can go a little bit deeper. So I'm always going to protect the foot. If I'm on the dorsal side, then I'm going to protect the foot so it doesn't bend the wrong direction. And same with the toes. I can protect the toes so that they don't bend in the wrong direction or too much one way. And I like doing a few moments on one foot, and then I'm going to transfer, I'm going to cover this one up, and then I'm going to work the other foot. So I warm it up first, and then I'm going to zone it. So that's thumb walking. And you can do all the individual areas that you like and go across and go up. Try to use the other hand. Now I'm doing a quick one. The quicker you go, the more energy you give them. The slower you go, the more relaxing they're going to get. You can do little swirls with your fingers. At any time you can add more cream. Different people soak up the cream differently. So again, just doing rubs. So I've warmed that up. Sometimes I like using hot rocks, so that's the basalt stones. Sometimes I like adding aromatherapy, so if you have knowledge in those things, you're more than welcome to add them. We do also a paraffin dip in reflexology in the reel. Now, our sessions usually last an hour, but at trade shows and that, I'll do 10-minute ones. And of course, 10 minutes, you'd be amazed at actually how nice 10 minutes can even feel for the feet and the person, how relaxed they can be. And then you just continue that for as long as you want to do the massage for. Enjoy!